Welcome to second video of chi-square series of MPC 6 Statistics for Psychology, presented by Jagdish, brought to you by Matru. Look at the questions carefully. In the question, it is said, for the following question, whether the cancer is contagious. The replies given by individuals belonging to low and high socio-economic status is given below. There are two groups, low SES and high SES, and responses yes, no, and total is given. Means this survey is finding whether the replies are dependent upon the socio-economical status of the respondent or not. If the critical value is less than 6.635 at 0.01 level, then answer is yes, means hypothesis null is accepted. Otherwise it is rejected, or we can interpret that socio-economic status is not dependent for the responses in this study. Values are given as we see in last video. This is the first step. We put all the values in table and make the totals of all rows and columns. As here, low SES 72 and no 48 becomes total of 120. High SES is 80 and grand total is 200. Now this is important step to find expected value. Expected value is simple formula, row total into column total divided by grand total of respected cell. First row, first column means cell number 1, low SES, yes values. 120 by 106 divided by 200 here is given. Both the values are calculated over here and explained, and we got value for first cell is 63.6, second cell is 56.4 using the same formula explained in the box here, in this box. Same way for high SES and so on. These are the values we got, and step 3 means we have to fill all the values in entire table, and we move towards step 4. Step 4 is a chi-square. Chi-square is the sum of difference between observed and expected value square divided by expected value. Putting values in the formula, for reference we have taken for explanation only one cell, that is cell number 1. Its observed value was 72 and calculated value, or we can say expected value, is 63.6. The square of difference of two values divided by the expected value gives us the value 0.1320. Continuing the rest cells and add the final numbers, and we summation of all the numbers gives us the chi-square, which is 5.9012. You can see here all the calculations. Here observed minus expected, and square of the difference divided by expected. Same here, and this is the total. This is the total of these two values. This is the total of these two values, and this is the final chi-square number. Final chi-square number is the sum of O minus E, means the difference between the both values square divided by expected value, is 5.9012. and our critical value given was 6.635. If our value is calculated value is less than 6.635, then null hypothesis is accepted. Our value is 5.90 and critical value is 6.6. It is quite less than the critical value, therefore the null hypothesis is accepted. So conclusion drawn, there is no significance between SES groups and the responses. This is the new question for your practice. Please do practice and get ready. Be ready with the answers to cross tally in next video. Thank you for watching.